Oh, more juice. They were lasting a good while, these bubbles. This juice is old.
I'm not sure that we yet know what the secret is. Apparently Tio's going to chase the bubbles too. You're popping them.
Uh-oh, it's high. Get it. Can you reach it? Whoa!
Oh, pop, pop, pop.
Oh, watch out!
Uh-oh.
Taylor.
Pop.
Big one.
Oh dear. I think, is this one going to hit me in the head? Oh, basically.
Oh, more juice.
More.
Look at that bubble in the air still.
Taylor, oh, it's coming down. You going to get it? Oh, it popped. They are lasting a little better than they were.
Hold on. You want me to make more bubbles? Okay. Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at all the bubbles.